From this same homepage, you can also access all of the specific databases or journals that we subscribe to. You'll see that we have links to all these academic databases. We have the nursing databases separated out over here. The vast majority of these are available through that consolidated search. So if you're unsure of what you're looking for, the consolidated search is usually the best way to start. But if you do prefer the interface of any of these particular databases, you're welcome to use those. The one of these that is not included in the consolidated search is the up-to-date system. That one has its own data and its own way to log in. We do have a separate video about how to log into that. We also have some of these nursing journals linked directly. Basically through these links, you can go in and browse one of these journals, and this will allow you to find an article. If you know what issue it was in, it'll allow you to download the full text of whatever you're looking at and then find back issues as well over here on the left. And that could be useful if you are looking for something and know exactly where it is. You will have to be logged into your Open Athens account to access any of these. That means that you're going to have to use your Graceland username and whatever you have your password to. It's probably only going to ask you that once towards the beginning of a search, and then it'll keep you logged in to all of these databases while you're using them. If you leave it for a certain while and step away from the computer, it may ask you to sign in again.